am Vincent Haldane, Senior Director, Land Administration Management Section within the Ministry. The Land Administration Unit principal function is to acquire lands to facilitate the development of housing schemes. This is also extended to acquiring properties that are informally occupied and the management of these properties until they are developed into housing schemes or regularized, as the case may be. The creation of new housing schemes certainly impacts the construction industry, creating jobs during the construction phase. It also contributes to the vibrancy of the real estate market with the provision of housing solutions, be it vacant lots or houses. The regularization of informal settlements improves the standard of living for many individuals with the improvement of roads, water services, and provision of electricity. Additionally, when beneficiaries are in receipt of titles, they are able to use it as security for loans, for further development of their lots, or for the startup of new businesses. Jamaicans benefit in that we are responsible for engaging commissioned land surveyors to do subdivision surveys on the properties, and then these surveys will enable the legal department to apply for titles. Now, titles are very important to the development of the lots that people have, and it will also enable them to apply for loans that they can do further development or businesses as they may choose. Seaview Gardens Phase 2 has been without titles for decades, and subdivision surveys have been conducted to facilitate the splintering of over 300 titles in this year. Vanzillands in Trelawney, Falmouth Trelawney is another one, which has a large informal settlement. Surveys were conducted and titles splintered for over 200 residents, and the process continues. A third one would be the acquisition of lands at Bottom Pen in St. James. Bottom Pen lies between the communities of Glendevon and Norwood. The target is to acquire approximately 100 acres of informally occupied lands. To date, approximately 60 acres have been acquired, and subdivision surveys have started for 90 lots. Well, what you can look forward to, especially over the next year or two, is the continuation of surveys, and we'll be looking to do over 800 lots over a number of schemes. Some of these schemes include Canaan Heights in Maypen, Clarendon. Bottom Pen, we will continue to generate more lots. Seaview, 200. Spicy Grove in Aracabessa, St. Mary, we are doing subdivision surveys for 70 lots. Galleon Beach, we're doing over 100 lots. Macemere Albany, it's over 100 lots as well. And I can go on because there are areas in Westmoreland, such as Nonpareil, where we are doing 150 lots, and also Providence Estate in Western Road, Negril, where we are doing over 100 lots.
Okay.
And apart from that, the acquisition of lands continues. So we hope to conclude the acquisitions at Bottom Pen and also Sandy Park area in the Kingston 6 area of St. Andrew. We also hope to complete acquisitions of land. The government, through the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, is regularizing informal settlements to improve the lives of Jamaicans.
Jamaicans benefit in many ways through the provision of jobs prior to developments, during the developments, and once developments are completed. And since we also facilitate in